Yeah, now you can't see anything. We're just preparing you so that yeah, you can see if you want while we take it off. It's going to be a very little pain just when I remove the thing because it's going to be tight. You can see there if you want. You can look down maybe a little bit. Okay, we need to clean all of this up. Okay. You can have a look.
Eyes have gone towards like they have departed.
Your eyes have departed. They've departed ahead of you to Bangalore. Stop. No, what happens is when you augment this area, right?
Yeah.
So you can feel that it's a little bit. 1 second. We just clean up. All of these things we'll clean up for you. Okay. We also need to. Okay, like I said, like I keep saying, there is a lot of edema. There's more swelling towards your tip and this area.
Yeah.
But I think. So what do you think? I mean, we're still going to clean up and everything, but
My eyes are looking smaller. Is it so?
no, that's because of the edema and everything. But you're going to look at your nose now. We haven't done anything to your eyes. Can you show me the pre-op picture, please? And now I'm going to show you the pre-op picture because you might also forget a bit.
Yeah.
Look at that now. Look straight in the mirror so you'll know, see the amount of improvement. You can also see that fold. Can you see this folding? No, not that fold. Look in the mirror, this folding. This is called nasolabial or grooving.
Yeah.
It's become less.
Yeah.
Can you see that? I told you, remember, when I do this kind of procedure, that becomes less. So that significantly makes your skin tighter. You're not going to get this kind of float anymore. It's going to be much lesser. This grooving. Can you see the grooving? Yeah, that's gone. And then you see the flaring. It's gone. And the tip. And you didn't want much work there, so I've just reduced it a little bit, okay?
Yes.
Just tweaked it a bit, but you can see the
My eyes are looking smaller than my real eyes.
yeah, your eyes are looking a little smaller for two reasons. One, there's edema. Look here, there's swelling all this side, swelling here,
Okay.
swelling there, swelling there. That's first reason. And secondly, it's because of the fact that even the edema is here a little bit. So once all of it comes down, your eyes are going to be just the way it was, sure.
The way it was.
Of course. Yeah, you had beautiful eyes. We haven't done anything to it.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about the eyes. I'm also going to show you some different other views. You can turn that side. See this? I'm showing you this to tell you I've only removed the bump that you wanted me to take off. I haven't done much on that particular dorsal angle. See the angle, everything is similar, okay? Now I want to show you the basal view. Yeah, look up. And now you can see this.
Yeah.
And you can see the tip now.
Yeah,
You see the
tip is-
flaring is gone, the tip has become more pointy, and this is without swelling. Now this is with swelling, already pointier than this.
Yeah.
So it's going to get like much better more in the next couple of weeks or so.
So my eyes are going to be normal, right? I mean, I feel like my eyes is very small now.
No,
It's so.
no, it's not. आपको आँख छोटा लग रहा है?
नहीं वैसा तो
थोड़ा छोटा लग रहा है बिकॉज स्वेलिंग की वजह से, और कुछ नहीं,
भी लगाया हुआ था।
और कुछ नहीं होगा ना आई को, हमने किया कुछ नहीं आई के लिए.
Yeah, nose is looking really.
Yeah, it'll get better. Eyes तो कुछ नहीं करें. Oh, we clear all that.
But I think it was. This
Yeah, remember you had very thick skin. I told you we will be able to make your nose pointy, but not like pointier, like, you know.
I look younger basically.
Absolutely, I told you that's going to happen. Also because of the grooving. This grooving was very prominent for you. As I have tightened this whole area,
Yeah.
that will look better. I did mention that to you. I don't know, maybe you didn't recollect that. That will not come back.
Which one?
The grooving that you had here, you had very strong nasolabial grooving.
This.
Ha.
Okay, that fold.
Folds,
fine.
yes. Those folds are not going to be back that much now. It's going to be there, but much subtler. Because we've tightened this whole area here inside
Yeah.
before I put my sutures on the base of the nose. And you know, the base of the nose and the nasolabial area is all related. So we just get you cleaned up properly so you look nicer.
I liked it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks. Right, so you send us pictures and stuff a few weeks, months later.
Sure.
Okay, and
So
don't
this
forget.
is also going to reduce this area? Or
No,
like
not much.
not much.
Not much.
Okay.
Little
that
bit
will
only.
that will be fine.
We won't do much there.
Yeah. The only this tip is going to reduce.
Little better, about 20% will shrink because today is only day 6,
Yeah.
and we haven't taken any rib for you, right?
Yeah.
We've done nothing. We just managed without any ribs and all.
Yeah. And this dark colors in my eyes.
Will take 2 more weeks.
2 more
Unfortunately,
days.
yeah. That's because